Here I have VIVO Y11s, and today I'm going to show you how to block number on this device. So first method is you have to just select a number from your contacts which you want to block, then tap here and select block numbers. That's the first method to block number. And then there's also a second method. You just open your phone here, tap here, go to settings, then go to the block number section, and here you can add a number. Just enter a number which you want to block and block it here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.